Feeling like you're constantly on the go with no time for yourself? Self-care is essential for mental health and well-being. It's not about indulgence, it's about maintenance. Let's explore 3 tips on how to care for yourself more. Tip 1. Small things make a difference. Incorporate small, manageable self-care activities into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Tip 2. Self-care comes in many forms. Self-care is not one size fits all. Find out what recharges you the most. Tip 3. Give yourself permission. It's okay to take time for yourself. Prioritizing your own needs isn't selfish, it's important. Self-care strengthens your resilience and enhances your ability to support others. Start by doing one small thing today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need a little self-care boost. Thanks for watching, and take care.